Court today, before that sentencing came down, the defendant, Emonte Morgan, said, quote, Ella French was not murdered. It was an accident. Now, we do know that Ella French's mother attended today's hearing and shared a very passionate witness impact statement. Also in the courtroom was Carlos Yanez, who survived this shooting. But in terms of the outcome today, he says he cannot call it justice.
This is a message not only to help justice for Ella Jr. and Joshua, but all police officers that are threatened every single day and are shot and killed.
Emonte Morgan issued 2 life sentences without parole in the murder of Chicago police officer Ella French. Before learning his fate, Judge Ursula Wolowski told him, quote, you made those decisions, you pulled the trigger.
There were choices that the defendant made on that evening that could have left a young woman alive, another officer uninjured, and people going home safely to their families.
In court today, Officer Carlos Yanez, who was wounded along with French, offered witness testimony. Prosecutors said Yanez suffered bleeding on his brain, still has bullet fragments lodged in his skull, has a prosthetic eye, and ringing in his ears. After sentencing, Yanez was consoled by supporters, explaining how life is for him now.
I'm affected for the rest of my life. So many people were affected by this. My son, I'm limited to physically what I can do and mentally.
French was killed August of 2021 after a traffic stop in Inglewood. Although body camera footage was shown to jurors, defense attorneys argued surveillance did not capture the exact shooter. Morgan was convicted of first-degree murder in March.
It's crucial evidence on that body cam that will free my son that the judge ignored and did not show the jury.
The courtroom filled with Chicago police officers, also the mother of police officer Ariana Preston, who was murdered last year.
I don't know how many more lives we have to continue to lose to the graveyard or to the jailhouse. What I do know is that the men and women of the Cook County State's Attorney's Office stand ready to do their job to hold people accountable and bring justice to families.
And the Cook County State's Attorney's Office also posting another message saying, quote, we would be remiss not to laud Officer Yanez for his courage and resilience throughout this ordeal, which has nothing short of inspiring. Live outside the Layton Criminal Courthouse, Nate Rogers, Fox 32 Chicago.